And what better way to fill my autumn leaves having heart than to make some cute autumn leaf shorts, since the season seems to be getting hotter and hotter every year. So sit back and grab some snacks and watch me make cute leaf shorts.
Yeah, so as you are standing in front of me here today, I am wearing my pants that used to be pants and now look like capris. They're way too small, and obviously, I'm not gonna be walking around with my ankles showing like such. So, I'm not gonna lie, I was really going to get rid of them, but right now, I don't know about you, but it's supposed to be autumn. We're supposed to be feeling that nice, comfy, fun. What is it even called? Yes, autumn season, and unfortunately, I live in the South. It is hot as hell outside. Even though it is in the middle of September, and you'd think it wouldn't be hot as hell outside, it is hot as hell outside. And I can't wear autumn clothes right now. I can't. And I thought wearing these cute pants would make me feel good because they're like autumn, but they're also kind of thinner than most of my thicker autumn/winter pants. But they don't fit anymore. I'm kind of sad. So instead, what we're going to do, we're going to turn them into shorts.